Dietitians worldwide insist modern people need to monitor the condition of their gastrointestinal tract. The abundance of fast food and processed foods in the diet creates numerous health problems for these organs. But most of all, the intestines suffer from improper nutrition. To help the intestines function properly, it's important to carefully plan your diet. First and foremost, incorporating daily consumption of porridge made from various grains is crucial. Such a dietary emphasis can help prevent serious illnesses from intestinal inflammation to cancer. Buckwheat is a great choice for maintaining liver health due to its zinc, potassium, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants content. Combined with vegetables like pumpkin, beets, carrots, cabbage, tomatoes, cucumbers, and fruits such as avocado, apples, grapes, and citrus fruits, it not only helps cleanse the liver, but also enriches it with essential nutrients. Greens like spinach and parsley, as well as berries like cherries, raspberries, and blueberries, enhance the beneficial effects on digestion and overall body condition. Including lean fish in your diet improves bile secretion, which is also beneficial for the liver. It's important to monitor cholesterol and glucose levels and undergo regular checkups to maintain overall health and prevent diseases. Oatmeal is also an excellent choice for maintaining liver health due to its high content of antioxidants and fiber. These substances play a key role in detoxifying the body and supporting its function. Oatmeal is rich in beneficial trace elements like zinc, magnesium, and iron, which contribute to overall immune system strengthening. Including vegetables, fruits, and greens in your diet along with oatmeal can help achieve optimal liver function and improve overall health. Regular consumption of oatmeal helps reduce cholesterol levels and maintain stable blood glucose levels. Pumpkin porridge is an excellent choice to include in your diet due to its high content of antioxidants, minerals, and other beneficial substances. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting liver cells from free radicals, promoting its cleansing and enhancing overall body functions. Pumpkin porridge is rich in beta-carotene, which supports skin health, vision, and the immune system. Regular consumption of pumpkin porridge helps reduce inflammation in the body and supports overall health. Including this dish in your diet also helps stabilize blood sugar levels and improve digestion due to its high fiber content. Rice porridge, especially made from brown rice, is a valuable source of zinc, which supports the protection and restoration of skin and mucous membranes. Brown rice is rich in phosphorus, magnesium, B vitamins, and fiber, making it an ideal choice for maintaining digestive system health and overall well-being. Wild rice is also beneficial for the intestines, helping to eliminate toxins and reduce inflammation, which promotes intestinal health. Regularly including rice porridge in your diet can significantly improve overall digestive and skin health. Porridges such as oatmeal, pumpkin, and buckwheat play a crucial role in maintaining liver and stomach health due to their high content of antioxidants, minerals, and fiber. Antioxidants help protect liver cells from damage, while fiber contributes to improved digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of these porridges helps reduce inflammation and strengthens the immune system, which positively impacts the overall health of the liver and stomach.